What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, for those of you who are new. So in today's video, I am showing you guys how I pack all my kids' clothes when we are traveling. So first things first, we want to make sure that you lay out all the outfits for all the days that you are going away for. So you count them up and lay them down. And then you put the essentials like socks, underwears, pajamas, hats, glasses, all the essentials and accessories that you and your children will need. Perfume, of course, deodorant, sunscreen, all of that. And then after that, make sure that you have packing cubes, okay? Packing cubes helps with keeping things organized. So invest in some packing cubes. I can have the exact same ones that I have listed in the description bar. So you guys, if you want to buy, you can buy. So fill up your packing cubes with the kids' clothes exactly in complete outfits the way that they would wear them. And then you're good to go. The airplane to me is always freezing, so just if you don't want to freeze, get your airport outfit ready. Have something long sleeve, have your neck pillow, have your hat, your glasses, so that when you're sleeping people don't have to see you sleeping. Have your sneakers. Okay, let us pack for my baby now. So basically what we're doing, we're just repeating the process. Always remember to pack complete outfits, okay, for each kid, including yourself as well. Lay out everything that you're going to need on the bed again. Do you see how all of these clothes fit in one small little packing cubes, and now it looks neat? Moving on to packing all of my baby's accessories and necessities. Her underwears, her undershirts, her bonnet, her socks, her rag that she's gonna use to take her shower with, some beads for her hair, because I plan on braiding her hair small when we are going, her perfume, her jewelry, her hat as well, because where we're going is very hot. And yeah, all of that fits inside one smaller packing cubes. And again, this is why and how the packing cubes come in handy. They keep things looking organized. Here I have my airport outfit as well because I'm going to, and these are my stuff. See, very clean, organized, and neat. Now let's see how easy it's going to be to just pack the suitcase. Just 1, 2, 3. Those packing cubes for sure come in handy. If you don't get anything from this video, get you some packing cubes, and remember to lay out your kids' clothes, pack complete outfits, and then you're good to go.